Where there is life, there is consumption. Where there is consumption, there is retail. The retail sector has been at the helm of India's growth story. The sector has evolved dramatically from traditional village fairs, street hawkers, local mom and pop stores to magnificent malls, channel distribution, direct sales to online retail, growing from strength to strength by providing an omni-channel shopping experience. Driven by growth in internet, mobile technology and social media, the world of shopping is undergoing a sweeping transformation. Retail has emerged as one of the most dynamic and fast-paced sectors in India and is one of the largest contributors in terms of revenue, GDP and employment. Retail thrives in every Indian household through its multifaceted presence in various segments like clothing and apparel, fashion accessories, food and grocery, consumer electronics, beauty and personal care, footwear, etc. By 2020, over 53% of our population will be under the age of 30. This generation will be more desirous, demanding and dynamic in their service expectations. Therefore, the need for skilled manpower in retail is imperative. Given the fact that 62% population is between the ages of 15 to 59 years, only 5% of our workforce has undergone formal skills training. Retail is sitting on a goldmine of opportunities for skills development in India. To make the most of this demographic dividend, our Honorable Prime Minister launched the National Skills Development Mission.
अपने पांच बाहुबल के द्वारा, अपने उंगलियों के हुनर के द्वारा, अपने कौशल्य के द्वारा विश्व का हृदय जीत सके, ऐसे नौजवानों का सामर्थ्य हम तैयार करना चाहते हैं।
Recognizing the importance of skill development and entrepreneurship in the country, a new ministry has been created to achieve its vision of Skilled India. One amongst the 40 sector skill councils, Retailers Association Skill Council of India, or RASI, represents the retail industry in India.
As Prime Minister rightly said, that democracy, demand and demography are the two strongest pillars of India to build the new India.
We focus on the 4 I's. The 4 I's are the 4 pillars of RASI. First being the individual, the second being the institute, the third being the industry. And whilst impacting these 3 I's, the 4th I gets impacted, which is India.
The retail industry is a people-intensive industry providing an unparalleled interactive experience, and the retail employee is instrumental in offering this experience. To enable this, RASI has created and institutionalized industry-accepted qualifications packs and national occupational standards in alignment with National Skills Qualification Framework for retail job roles. They contribute more than 80% of direct employment in the retail industry.
My name is Sandeep Kumar. I am a cashier in Lifestyle.
My name is Bhupati Sharma. Presently, I am working as a concept manager for Shumat Concept.
My name is Akhilesh Kumar and I am a store manager of Lifestyle Mall of India.
My name is Shashi. I am working here at DLF Mall of India as a business manager.
Under the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister and the support from the Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, NSQF has been brought onto the forefront, which enables an outcome-based environment for skilling, which means any person who's aspiring for a retail career can actually acquire skills against the national occupational standards, which would enable him or her to get employable and hired within the industry.
RASI has a strong foothold across India with its presence in all states and in excess of 400 districts with over 3,000 RASI validated training centers. It embraces key stakeholders in its ecosystem like affiliated training partners, certified trainers, assessment partners, certified assessors and placement partners, offering array of services to learners, industry partners, state ministries and central ministries. RASI, in its endeavor to serve its ecosystem, enables partner affiliation process, makes available qualification packs, curriculum and courseware, facilitates training center validation as per set standards, conducts training of trainers and trainers certification, conducts training of assessors and assessor certification, conducts learner assessment and certification, facilitates demand aggregation through Industry Connect. RASI is by the industry, for the industry.
Comparative to the other retailers, Hypercity requires much more skilled manpower, and I would like to express my gratitude and thanks to RASKI for giving us a program which allow us to be able to skill this manpower at an astonishing fast rate. They've been able to really build up the right understanding between what the industry needs and what the government wants to achieve.
It supports industry through scale-up of relevantly skilled talent aligned with industry-developed and endorsed standards, recognition and certification of existing workforce in alignment with National Skills Qualification Framework through recognition of prior learning, to create a workforce that is ready for global employment. RASI has benchmarked its standards against the international standards aimed at imbibing international best practices.
At Landmark Group, we employ RASI certified candidates, and we see them very different from the rest of them we recruit from the market. We are glad to have contributed to the transnationally benchmarked standards. We have almost 55,000 employees employed there in the Middle East, and this initiative of transnational standards is going to help our organization, and we have supported RASI in this launch, and I am sure this initiative is going to help us not only in India but internationally.
The Indian youth is the center point of Skill India mission. RASI contributes by developing industry-specific skills to enhance employability within and beyond India, enhancing employability by enriching the education system with outcome-based skills required by industry, giving pride, respect and dignity to existing workforce by recognizing their skills acquired through formal or informal learning on the job, awarding learners with government-recognized certification.
My name is Arif. I am 19-year-old. I have passed 12th class from CBSE board. 12th class पास करने के बाद मेरे पास समय था मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझे आइलैंड एफएस इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्किल के बारे में बताया, जो कि ओखला में है। मैं यहाँ पे आया, मुझे बहुत से कोर्सों के बारे में बताया गया। मैं कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम का हूँ, इसलिए मैंने रिटेल सेक्टर को चुना। रिटेल सेक्टर क्योंकि एक ग्रोइंग सेक्टर है। जब मैंने यहाँ पे आके क्लासेस अटेम्प्ट की, यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सी चीज़ें सिखाई गई। रिटेल सेक्टर को मैंने इसलिए चुना है ताकि मैं अपना खुद का एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकूँ।
They have a trainer evaluation certification. They also have a pool of trainers to see that the people are being trained across India systematically and uniformly. Nowadays, the organizations are not recruiting a salesman. They are recruiting fashion assistants, fashion advisors, personal shoppers, etc. In this context, RASKI has done a commendable job. They already done a national occupation standards by studying the global best practices, customizing to the Indian context. They also do a workforce demand and then give the manpower estimate to the skilled trainers across India to see that the people are being trained rightfully and skillfully and uniformly, consistently across India. Shoppers Stop as an organization, it benefits immensely because it saves a lot of time and money for the company. It creates a culture of learning within the organization. It provides a platform for associate to be promoted within the organization based on certification, and over and above all, it brings in a lot of standardization and uniformity across India.
With the strength and commitment to make retail the best sector for youth, RASI is taking giant leaps forward. And in this journey, we are thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, and industry for their constant support. Kaushal Bharat, Kushal Bharat.